There are basically two kinds of architecture schools: practical based and theory based. And when people ask me about my architecture school, I usually say that our school was very theory based, and meaning that all the day to day business side of architecture, the study of waterproofing details, the codes, all that was not really part of my education. All that came much later during my internship. But what we focused on was learning how to think like an architect, how to be creative, how to focus on meaning and purpose in the work that we do. What was the drive behind your design? Why would you make a certain decision over another? We were learning how to relate all of those decisions to what we're making to a story, to tie our decisions to a meaning or a purpose. And I loved architecture school for that reason, because all of that time, all that countless hours I spent there, explored wild concepts, thought about deeper issues of humankind. It was fun, you know? And then after school, I joined the workforce, and the practical stuff hit me like a ton of bricks. Going from the theoretical, searching for meaning in everything, into a firm that spoke about their buildings like products. I mean, products. The term really turned me off. And our homes are not products. Our buildings are not products. They have a deeper meaning to us, don't they? I mean, this was a shock to my grand architectural dreams. So I searched for something else, and I'm still searching for that something that can provide me with a connection with what I originally loved about architecture. The connection our buildings have to people, and the connection our buildings have to the overall environment in the world, what they mean to people and how they might inspire them. And it might sound pretty dreamy to a lot of you. That's what I always wanted architecture to be. That's what I search for, and it's what motivates me to create.